Hey guys, here's how you're going to add and embed YouTube videos into your Wix website to keep visitors engaged and boost time on site. Let's get any URL that we can get. For example, I'm just going to click on this one and click on share. And then I'm going to copy this video's URL. Now let's head back to our Wix website editor. And then from here, let's click on this plus button right here, which is for elements. Now from the add elements section, just click on video and music. And then from the video and music, you can head over to the video section and then click on single video players. Now, if you want to embed a URL, you can just click on this YouTube instead of video upload, because uploading means you're going to have to download your video first and then upload it in here. Now, if you click on YouTube, all you have to do is to really just enter the URL of your video. Let's drag it over to our website, just wherever we want to place it. I'm going to resize it and then drag it over wherever I want to place it. Just going to place it over here. Going to resize it a little bit more, make it smaller. So now that we have it over here, what we're going to do to change the video that is currently in here, what we're going to do is to click on change video. And then you can choose here where you want the video to be from. But since we want YouTube, I'm just going to keep the YouTube icon selected. And then here, we're going to add here the URL that we have just copied from YouTube. So I'm just going to change that. And then you can add here a video description if you want. You can toggle this play video in a loop or autoplay, and that's it.